guys, Theo here, makeup artist and model in Paris. I'm here today to create a brat boy makeup look. So I start by the brows. I fill them in to make them bigger and higher. Trace the eye using a dark brown eyeshadow, then fill the white part of the eye using a white liner. Put some eyeshadow, the color you want. Dark brown if you have dark brown eyes, blue if you have blue eyes. Then apply foundation. You can use a brush or a sponge. I use both. I use a brush to apply it into my skin, and then I use a sponge to blend it out. Then apply concealer in a triangular shape when you want your highlight to pop. Then set your concealer in areas you want to set with translucent powder. Use a dark brown pencil and then fill the lips. Then use like a metallic matte or something to make them a little shiny and juicy. Then I put some white line on the top of my lip, on the bottom lip, a little dot on the nose, and then in the front of my brow to define everything and to make everything more anime-y. And then I fix everything using setting spray because you want what? Your makeup to stay on as long as possible. And then the look is complete. So now it's your turn to recreate. Don't forget to share, like, and comment. And tag me maybe, and I will see your looks. So, thank you.